Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to scan QR codes from photos. First of all, open up your Photos application on your iPhone. Next, choose the photo from this selection. Now open up your Google and search for QR code example. Now select the photo and tap on the Save to Photos option. After that, open up your Photos application and then tap on the photo. Now, tap on the Open in Safari option. Now automatically, this page is displayed here. So, you can use these options to scan any QR code on your phone. Now let's scan another QR code. So tap on the photo and then tap on View in the App Store. This will display the app using this QR code. Now let's take a screenshot of this QR code. After that, tap on the Copy option here. So this is how you can scan a QR code from a photo. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.